Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 tips on how to stay productive this year that are a little bit different than the usual resolutions that most people say that they're going to resolve. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, feel free to do so. Hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. I hope you guys enjoy today's video, and let's just get on with the tips. So my first tip on being productive in 2018 is kind of cliche. It's to stay organized by using a planner. This is my planner for this year. I am not the most organized person, but this has really helped me. You can write down everything that you have that's going on in your life. Whether you have a job, you write down when you work. If you have doctor's appointments, dentist appointments, really anything of that matter, you can write it down in your planner and it will seriously help you so much with staying organized. Me personally, I write down my work schedule when I'm hanging out with friends and when I like to film and edit videos, and it has helped me so much with everything. That is my first tip, staying organized. Buy a planner, order one online, stay organized this 2018. Another tip to go along with being organized and really trying to prioritize your time better is to set practical goals for yourself. Now, by practical, I mean set weekly goals, monthly goals, daily goals even. If you really want to have a book read by the end of the day, that could be a goal. If you want to have 5 books read by the end of the week, that could be a goal. If you want to travel more, personally, that is something that I really want to do over the years to come. I just think life is too short to not have goals set. They don't have to be long-term, they can be very short-term goals. I don't know, I just feel like if you have something set, you can really work towards it and you'll feel really accomplished. My third tip to being productive this year is to make a change. Positive changes, not negative. For example, change could be anywhere from getting a new hairdo, getting a new haircut, dyeing your hair a different color. That is also something I want to maybe do this year. I don't necessarily want to cut my hair because I do like the length that it is right now. I do maybe want to change up the color. Another thing that I've been trying to work on is changing up my room. I want to get some more room decor. Once I change up my room, like this video, if you guys would like to see a room decor haul and a room tour possibly. I've never done a tour of my room at my parents' house, so yeah, change could be anywhere from your hair to a bedroom to even just changing up your living space, maybe moving to a new city, starting something new. Make sure that it's a positive change, because when being productive, we're trying to cut out all of the negative aspects in our life because we're trying to bring in the positive energy and the positive aspects to our 2018. My second last tip for you guys is to detox. Now, by detox, I mean with social media. Personally, on my Instagram, I follow over 2,000 people. I do not need to be following that many people, nor do I even know that many people in real life. So a good way to detox is to just unfollow people. Sure, you might follow them because, oh, their feed's nice, but do you really need to follow them? Yeah, that is something that I want to work on this year, is just unfollowing people. Detoxing could also be real life friendships, just getting rid of people that don't have a positive impact on your life. I know that might sound kind of like a bad friend move, but honestly, I love cutting out people that didn't really have anything positive that they could bring into my life to make my life better or make me happier. So yeah, you could also detox your friendships in real life as well. Last tip that I have for you guys to make your 2018 more productive is to spend time with your loved ones, whether this would be family, if you have a partner like a boyfriend, husband, spend time with them as well. I know I love spending time with my boyfriend. I know I can't spend time with him all the time because we have different schedules and whatnot. Whenever we both don't have something to do, we always try and make time for each other because we love each other. Yeah, so life is just way too short to not spend time with these people. You really want to make the most out of your year and your life in the long run. Going along with, oh, spending time with friends, it is also good to take time to yourself. Those are my 5 tips on how to be more productive in 2018, or just how to have a productive year in general. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Make sure to follow me on all of my social media. I have Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr. They're going to be on the screen and in the description box, so go follow me. Let's be friends. I think that is all I have to say, so I hope you guys are having a great day or night whenever you are watching this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I say you be my